Hey everyone, welcome back to my another video. So in this video, we are going to learn how can you hide your sensitive file or pictures or any videos from others in your PC. So currently in this directory, we do not have anything. So let me create some folders and a file so that I can show you how can you hide. Okay. So currently we have a folder and a file. Now follow me from here. Click here on the new, click on text document. Double click here. It will open in the it will open on the notepad. You have to paste this basic script. I will provide you this basic script in my basically the description or the comment box. Okay, you can tag these things from there. And here is the default password. Okay, you can change here whatever you want to write. Suppose you want to write the password is 128. So you can write here, but currently I am leaving it as your password. Okay. Now let's go to file. Click on save as and here change the file name to system.bat and all type. Basically the file type is all files. Now save it. Remove it here from here. Now double click on the system.bat. It will create a private folder. Now whatever you want to hide, put in this private folder. Now again double click on system.bat. Here it is asking, are you sure to log this folder? Yes, I am sure. So click Y and enter. So private folder is now hide. No one can find that file. Okay, or that folder. So get it back, click on this system.bat again and enter your password. My password is your password. Click here. Now the private folder is here and everything is at this folder.